Hi clarinets. On this week's video I want to teach you the names of the pinky keys. These are the names that I use that I learned from another teacher. When you get to middle school and later in high school they'll be called something different, but this is what we're going to refer to them as. So we have our left hand pinky keys here. We have our right hand pinky keys down here. Let's talk about some vocabulary. If I say up, up means going this way, up the clarinet. So that means this is down. If I say outside, outside means away from the middle of the clarinet. So right now my fingers are moving out from the clarinet. That means this is inside. So inside, outside. Let's start with the left hand pinky keys. There are 3 of them here. Actually, no, there are 4 of them. Let's start with this one, this little one here. This is called the C sharp key. It's called the C sharp key because if we take this note that we know, C, and then we also press down the C sharp key, it makes that note a half step sharper, a little bit higher. Even though we're not going to be using a C sharp for a while, go ahead, practice that note, practice that C sharp. Now these 3 right here, this one is called the home key. The home key you can see is the most inside of these 3. This is called the home key. And they call it the home key because when you're not doing anything with your pinkies, that's where this pinky needs to rest. It's not pressing down the home key most of the time. It's just resting on it. It's touching it without pressing it. This one here is called the golf club key. It's called a golf club key because it looks like a golf club. This one here is the outside left. It's not a very cute name, but it describes where it is, right? It's in for the left pinky and it's the outside of these 2. So home key, golf club key, outside left, C sharp key. Now let's look at the right hand pinky keys. Notice there are 4 of them, and there are 2 that are up, 2 that are down, and then they're also stacked. You see how these 2 are kind of stacked on top of these 2? Well, let's talk about the names of these. This one here is called TT, which stands for top, top. Look, it's on top of this one, meaning it's up, and also it's on top of this one because it's stacked on top of it. So this is TT. This one here we'll do last. This one underneath TT, down from TT, this is called the home key. So when we're not doing anything with that right hand pinky, you just rest it on that home key. Okay, so TT, home, look underneath the home key. This one's called BB, which stands for bottom, bottom. It's down and it's underneath the home key. So this one's BB. So look, we have TT, we have home, we have BB. That leaves this one right here. This one, get ready for it. This one's called Coolio. I don't know why they call it Coolio, but the teacher I learned it from, this is what she calls it, Coolio. So let me show you a map of that. And now everybody, we know the names of the pinky keys. We know where our pinky should rest when we're playing other notes on the clarinet. And of course, as we get more advanced, we're going to learn what notes all of these pinky keys go with. Thanks.